Tricky Words Set 9. F-O-R-4. 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 They are waiting for the bus. B-E-B. 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 The weather will be nice tomorrow. I-T apostrophe S it's. I-T apostrophe S it's. I-T apostrophe S it's. It's raining heavily. G-O-T got. G-O-T got. G-O-T got. Sue got a present for her birthday. A-S-K-E-D asked. A-S-K-E-D asked. A-S-K-E-D asked. Sam was thirsty, so he asked for a glass of water. A-T at. A-T at. A-T at. Tom and his dad are looking at the sky. L-I-K-E like. L-I-K-E like. L-I-K-E like. In summer, I like to eat ice cream. S-E-E-C. 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 We can see the mountains from our window. T-H-E-I-R there. T-H-E-I-R there. T-H-E-I-R there. Their car is parked outside. S-A-W saw. S-A-W saw. S-A-W saw. We saw a nice movie last night. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.